What's up everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video you are going to see how to check screen time on Android. It's pretty easy, so let's get right into the video. Head over to your settings, and if you scroll down you can see an option digital well-being and parental controls. Tap on it and here you get to see the screen time on your Android phone or Android operating system. As you can see, my one is 5 hours and 20 minutes on social, 18 minutes on image, and productivity and finance is 2 minutes. And yeah, that's it. You can also set your screen time goal in here and set your timer, and this will help you a lot. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next one.